Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A32 5G, and today I'll show you top themes in the Play Store that are just free and we don't have to pay for it. So at the first, to open the themes, you have to go for the settings and then tap on the searchable themes. And we will move for the Galaxy themes. And right now, here I got the recently view themes, and we got the free themes. They are totally free, we don't have to pay for it. And the first one looks like that. I'm going to apply and show you how it looks. So as you can see, that's how the main screen looks. Here we got the notification bar. Let's take a look on the lock screen. This one is really cool. And let's check how looks the pattern. Wait, the face recognition is working, so I'm going to hide. And as you can see, our recognition pattern changed like that. It's really cool. And the icon changed also, but not at all. Let's move to another theme. And if you enjoyed this one, the name is like that. Gloomy Bright Theme 2021. Okay, and right now let's apply this one. Captain theme by Burzo. As you can see, there we got the same situation as before. Icons change, but not all of them. Let's check the notification bar. And what about the lock screen? Okay, the same, and the pattern looks normal. Okay, right now let's switch to the last one. I think this one is the best. The name is Swimming Theme. So as you can see, here we got the wallpaper, Diving Woman, notification bar changed like that. Icons also change a little bit. And what about the lock screen? There we got before diving. And as you can see, here we got the cool pattern when we are unlocking. So yeah, that's my free themes in the Galaxy Store. If you want to apply one of them, you have to simply just input the name into the search pool. So I will show you it one more time. The first one was Gloomy Bright Theme. This one is Captain theme, and the last one is Swimming theme. So for example, if you want to get the Swimming theme, you have to tap on the search pool and then just type Swimming theme and just go for it, and then just tap to download and then to apply. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.